Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, TencentDB-Agent-Memory, 602 new stars today. TencentDB-Agent-Memory gives AI agents persistent, shareable memory so teams stop wasting tokens and time reestablishing context across sessions. It automatically extracts chat logs, skills, documentation, and code structure into 4 governed asset types that any agent or framework can consume, turning tribal knowledge into a reusable team save file. The self-hosted hub deploys with a single script, integrates directly with Claude Code and other tools, and replaces the need for paid memory services with an open source stack you control. Number 4, Agent Reach, 659 new stars today. Agent Reach solves the fundamental problem of giving AI coding agents reliable, programmatic access to the public internet without requiring developers to individually integrate, maintain, and pay for a dozen different platform APIs. It acts as a unified CLI toolkit with multi-backend routing for each platform, so when a site changes its anti-scraping measures or a tool like YTDLP gets blocked, the fallback path activates automatically without you rewriting your agent's tool definitions. The entire system is built to run on zero-cost, open-source infrastructure with local-only credential storage, making it a transparent and maintainable alternative to stitching together brittle, per-platform scraping scripts. Number 3, openwork, 280 new stars today! Openwork solves the fragmentation problem where every AI coding agent, Claude Code, Codex, Cursor forces you to recreate the same skills, MCP connections, and service integrations from scratch. It acts as a shared capability layer. Define a workflow once, then expose it to any compatible agent through a single MCP server, so you stop duplicating configuration across tools. The optional desktop app and admin control plane make it viable for teams that need centralized governance over which models, plugins, and capabilities are available, without locking you into a proprietary collaboration platform. Number 2, build your own X. 674 new stars today. Most developers use complex systems daily without understanding their internal mechanics, which limits debugging skills and architectural judgment. This repository curates battle-tested tutorials that guide you through building everything from databases and Git clients to LLMs and ray tracers at a low level, forcing you to confront the actual data structures, algorithms, and trade-offs these tools make. Unlike typical project-based courses that abstract away the hard parts, these guides focus on minimal, from-scratch implementations that reveal the core ideas behind technologies you already depend on. Number 1, airllm, 819 new stars today. airllm allows developers to run 70B parameter language models and even 2.8T parameter sparse expert models on a single 4GB GPU by streaming individual layers or experts from disk, eliminating the need for costly cloud GPUs or weight quantization. It solves the real barrier of hardware inaccessibility. For experimenting with large models, you can prototype and deploy state-of-the-art LLMs directly on consumer hardware. The technique differs from quantization approaches because it preserves exact model behavior while using prefetching to overlap I/O and computation, and the repo includes notebooks that demonstrate running Llama 3.1 405B on 8GB and Kimi K3 in under 4GB.